Welcome to this video on modern air conditioning systems. We will explore the differences between window and split AC units to help you find the perfect cooling solution. The core difference lies in their design. Window ACs are monoblocks, with all parts in one unit. Split ACs are bifurcated, separating the indoor unit from the outdoor compressor unit. Window ACs offer a simple plug-and-play installation, but block your window view. Split ACs require wall drilling but preserve your window utility and are generally more discreet. Noise is a significant factor. Split ACs are much quieter, operating between 20 to 46 decibels, often in the whisper quiet range. Window ACs are louder, operating from 45 to 60 decibels. Capacity is important for room coverage. Window ACs are ideal for small spaces, up to 150 square feet. Split ACs are better suited for medium to large spaces, from 150 to over 400 square feet. While window ACs have a lower initial purchase price, split ACs are more energy efficient. Over 5 years, the lower operating costs of a split AC often result in greater overall savings. Many split ACs use inverter technology, which allows the compressor to vary speed. This differs from fixed-speed compressors that constantly stop and start, leading to 30 to 50% energy savings with inverter models. For service and upkeep, window ACs are generally easier to maintain. Split ACs require professional service for pipe connections and potential gas leaks, adding to maintenance costs. A practical suitability guide shows that window ACs prioritize portability and low initial cost, suitable for small rooms. Split ACs prioritize aesthetics, low energy bills, and are best for larger spaces. Match your cooling to your lifestyle. Renters or budget warriors should choose window AC for temporary, low-cost cooling. Homeowners or the premium standard should select split AC for permanent silent efficiency.